This is just a quick video to show you that it's okay to cut your stamps. And what I mean is, you may see in the stamps that this one, it doesn't really look like it was centered. So I have the font over here and there's a big red strip. And this happened a couple times with this particular set. The guitar is not quite centered in the middle. And so what happens when they were making them in the factory, this could have shifted a little bit when they made all the perforations, and that's okay. We used to have to cut our stamps all the times before they had these perforations. We had to cut them all out. So I just want to show you that it's okay to cut your stamps. I actually have a set right here that's already cut, and I'll cut one for you, but I just want to show you an example. So this is the same stamp. So that one I cut really close, so when I stamp, I don't accidentally get ink on this extra red and then get a line that I don't want. So it's okay. What you do is just take some scissors and you actually just cut right through. You need a sturdy pair of scissors. I haven't tried these ones, but these are more for paper cutting. So this is a sturdier piece of scissors. So I'm just trimming. So now, when I use that on my block, I know I'm not going to get any of the extra. And the sticker's still there. It might not be quite centered, but I know that this stamp is centered right within there. So I just wanted to let you know really quickly that it is okay to cut your stamps. Thanks.